Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be try on haul. I don't know, it's kind of like try on haul, but it's not a beauty product thingy, something like that. But I don't know, recently I loving a string light background on my videos. Normally I film all the time here in my room, so I like those having like lights on my background on my videos. So I bought a string lights the other day, not yesterday, the other day at Walmart. They have so many cute string lights that you can find what you want. So I bought this string light here that I'm gonna try it on my video background. We'll see how it's gonna look like. It is so cute. They have so many cute string light at Walmart though. So, and then also they have like a souvenir item. Where I live right now, I live in Colorado. They have so many cute Colorado souvenirs at Walmart. That's like, oh my god, it's kind of like expensive, but it's not too bad. So walang masyadong ganap ngayon guys, kasi today it's Wednesday, February 27. So today is my day off. So I've been like hiding in the room for like the whole day. No, not hiding in the room the whole day. Me and mom went to Walmart earlier, like around 4 o'clock, to grab a couple things that I'm gonna cook tomorrow, because Dan want to bring lumpia for work tomorrow. He want to try a lumpia for share for his coworker. So tomorrow I'm gonna be a little bit busy cooking a lumpia, because making lumpia is kind of like a lot of processing though. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Probably I'm gonna do a quick vlog for that. Well, I'm not sure it's a quick vlog or no, not, but we'll see tomorrow. So ito guys, marami silang they have so many cute souvenir stuff. The basic t-shirt I'm wearing right now, this is kind of like souvenir item that I bought at Walmart. So this is the Colorado t-shirt. Yan guys, ang cute diba? Bago tayo. Tapos meron din itong hat. I like this one, it's cute too. It's a Colorado hat too. Yan guys, ganda. Ayan yung details niya, Colorado. Yan, cute. So ayan na nga, parang nagugustuhan ko yung background ko na may light sa likod ko while I'm filming in here in my room. So bago yan guys, meron pa pala akong ibang people that souvenir items na nabili doon sa Walmart. So ang cute nito, ibibigay ko to sa kapatid ko. Probably I'm gonna give it to my mom and also to my sister. Ang cute ng purse. Souvenir talaga, no? Pag uwi ko sa Pilipinas, dadalhin ko siya. Ayan siya guys, oh. Colorado. Mag back and forth yung print niya. Tapos yung anong tawag dito, yung coin purse ba yun? Coin wallet, ganyan sa loob. Malaki rin siya eh. Tapos ayan yung zipper. How much is it? I forgot. Yan siya guys. Dalawa yung binili ko sa kapatid ko o kay mama. Ibibigay ko pag uwi ko, dadalhin ko pag uwi ko, mga konting souvenir ba. Tapos ito pang keychain ba ang tawag dito. I bought 3, same price, $3.97. Yan guys. So I bought, this is so cute. I bought blue Colorado. I bought blue, purple. Yan. And this is my favorite. Probably I'm gonna keep this last one. Cute. Ayan, no? Pink. So but blue, purple, and pink. I'm not sure. I'm keeping the pink though. I love pink. So I'm gonna keep the pink for me. Ito yung itsura niya. Yung picture, ganito yung style niya. Ganyan siya guys, yung style ng picture. Ang ganda niya sa picture. I don't know, he's like gonna look like. Tapos ito yung battery operated. Ooh, I might need a battery for it. I'm not sure. Haven't opened it yet guys. So, it's a string lights. Yan siya guys. So, how much is it? I don't know. I lost the receipt. So, I think this is like $7.87, something like that. So open natin guys, hold on, let me grab, I don't have a scissor. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a scissor and I'll be back. So guys, ito yung ano niya, yung itsura niya. Ganito yung itsura ng string lights, ganyan oh. Ganyan guys yung itsura ng string lights. Ayan, ang ganda. Buksan natin guys. Blade. Paano ba ito buksan? Ganito lang siguro. Sinape niya ng ano. Mainstay string lights. Naku, wala ata akong battery. Ang cute niya guys. So, kailangan ko siya ng AA battery. So, I'm gonna go ahead, go down, and check if I do have a AA battery. Kailangan niya ng 3 battery guys. Oops. Yan. AA battery ang kailangan ko. And ito na yung itsura niya. Ooh, I'm excited to put it on my background though. Because right now, I'm using those tiny stringlet that I got on Valentine's Day. They have a Valentine's Day string light too at Walmart, so I got it on Walmart. It's cute too, but they're like super thin, long light bulbs in it. So this one I'm so excited because it's cute. Tingnan nyo guys yung ano niya. Ayan yung itsura niya, oh. Ganda. Yan guys, oh. Diba? Ang ganda niya. I'm excited. Sana may battery ako sa baba na AA. So guys, I'll be back. I'm gonna go ahead and check if I do have a AA battery so that we can try it on how it's look like. So that we can try it on how it's gonna be look like on my background, and I'll be right back guys. So I'm back guys. Sabi ko na nga ba meron kaming battery. Kasi si Dan ayaw niya nang nawawala ng battery sa bahay. Kaya marami kaming extra battery marami kaming extra battery. So ito nakuha ko. Kunti na nga lang, paubos na. Saan ko ba ginagamit yung mga battery? Basta ayan no. Marami kaming extra battery. Kunti na lang yung laman niya guys. Oh. Ayan, ano na siya. Ayan na lang yung laman niya. So yay! Let's go ahead and start na natin guys. Anuhin natin. I'm excited how it's gonna be look like. I'm gonna put it on my background though guys, so that you can see how it's look like. So I'm gonna change those string lights over there. So I need 3 of these. I'll be back guys. I'm gonna set the battery on the string light and then I'll be back. So guys, nailagay ko na yung battery. Inulit ko to guys na film na to. Hindi ko pala na-record yung last film ko. Oh my god. So guys, nailagay ko na yung to be continue guys. Akala ko nung I look at my videos, I didn't record it at all. So I have to redo it again. So I already put the battery guys. Ito na yung itsura niya guys. It's not very long, just this one. So ayan na yung itsura niya guys. Ang ganda diba? Yan. So hindi siya masyadong kahabaan guys. So maybe get another like 2 of these just to make sure everything is covered on my background. So So yeah guys, ito na siya. Ito na yung itsura niya. Ang cute talaga. Ang ganda-ganda, promise. Yung details ng pagkakaano niya, yung itong ganito. Ganyan. Cute. Ang ganda. So, isa-set up ko lang guys sa background ko and we'll see how it's gonna look like on my background video guys. So, that's how it look like on my background guys. It's not a lot because it's not, the string light is not too long. So, 50 feet in 1.8 meters. So, hindi siya masyadong kahabaan. Yun lang yung konti lang yung na-cover. Gusto ko yung buong dito sa side ko tsaka dito sa side ko ma-cover siya. Kasi ayan lang siya oh. Basta ano siya 16 feet 16 feet by 1.8 meters. So hindi siya masyadong kahabaan. Pero yun yung itsura niya guys. Ayan. Yan yung itsura ng background string lights guys. So I might get another 2 of these, but I'll get that later. So I think yeah, that's it guys, my string light background on my videos. May ihahabol pala ako guys. Nabili ko to sa toys department. Ang cute, sabi ni Dan. Nakita niya yung yung box ng picture. Sabi ni Dan, nakikita mo ba yung picture na yan pambata? So, I don't care. It's cute. Pwede mo siyang i-wrap sa backpack mo, sa purse mo. Ito siya guys. So, ang cute. Ayan no. Tapos, ito yung niya. Ito yung pwede mong i-wrap sa kahit kung saan mo siya gustong ilagay. So, pwede siya sa wrist. Ilagay natin siya sa wrist guys. Ganyan guys. Pwede siya sa wrist. Ganyan. Cute. Yan yung itsura niya guys, oh. Pang bata to sa toys department, nabili ko siya. Ayan na yung ring lights. Ang ganda, pink. It's so cute. Ayan. Yan siya guys, oh. Ang ganda. Nagandahan lang ako, sabi ko, pwede ko tong ilagay sa wrist ko kung saan man ako magpunta. It's cute or pwede ko siyang ilagay sa backpack ko. Ikabit ko siya sa backpack, ganyan. Ang pinakamaganda dito guys, ito. And, umiilaw yung mata niya pag i-press mo daw yung nose niya. Yan. So, ayan guys, nagsasalita siya. Ayan. Cute, diba? Nagsasalita siya. Tsaka umiilaw yung mata. Ang cute. Are you done yet? So that I can talk just a little bit. So, ayan guys, it's cute ha. Nabili ko siya sa toys department. Nabili ko siya sa toys department guys. Pambata siya, pero I like it. It's so cute. Pink and white combination. So, ang ganda siya. Irarap ko lang siya sa rest kung ganyan. Ang cute, diba? Tapos, ayun na yung itsura ng yung string light. Kailangan ko pa ng parang dalawa. So, I think that's it for today's video, guys. If you really like this video, give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, welcome and thank you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye everyone. Bye.